I will show you a very easy way to make egg fried rice. It's very fast and tasty, and most importantly, it tastes very similar like the Michelin restaurant. Before the pandemic, the COVID, one of my family's most favorite Asian restaurant is Din Tai Fung. It's a Michelin restaurant, and my son's favorite food is fried rice. But we cannot go there as usual because of COVID-19. However, it doesn't matter. We can still make the delicious food at home. If you know some of the tips of how to cook this fried rice, you can also make this. And do you know what the difference between a regular fried rice and the restaurant version? And do you know the secrets of how to make this delicious fried rice? Let me show you today. Oh, by the way, please remember to click the button and subscribe me if you like my videos.
Preheat the pan and put in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. The first tip is to put in the right amount of oil. Remember, just 1 tablespoon. If you didn't put in enough oil, the eggs will stick to the pan. If you put too much oil in, your tongue will feel greasy. The second tip is to crack 2 eggs directly into the pan. You don't need to stir before you pour them into the pan. Stir the eggs slowly. This way, you'll have both egg white and egg yolk in the fried rice. This will let the fried rice have different levels of flavors. Plus, the color is more beautiful. If you're vegan, it doesn't matter, just substitute with vegan eggs. Tend to put the rice inside. Use around 2 cups of cooked rice. Stir it all together. I can tell you how to cook the perfect rice. If you're interested, please leave comments below the video. And don't forget to subscribe me if you like my videos. The third tip is to cook it quickly for about 1 or 2 minutes only. Please don't stir the rice for too long. In this way, the eggs will be very soft. Add half teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of spring onions. Spring onions is a very common Chinese food ingredient. It helps the dish taste fresh and tasty. Okay, well done.
You may just want to order takeout food at the local restaurant. But trust me, if you know these tips, you can also enjoy this very delicious food in only 5 minutes. Now it's time to eat. If you like my videos, please subscribe me. Remember to press the button. Okay, see you next time. Bye.